Hello everyone, this is Mazhar Ali and today I am going to share to you a great research-based news. This is in fact a great development in the field of computer science and artificial intelligence. The MIT researchers are discovering the parts of human brain which are engaged when person evaluates the computer program. This is in fact a unique and great research in the field of artificial intelligence. The neural network model is used in this research study to evaluate the brain of a person when he or she is evaluating the computer program. So this is your brain. This is your brain on code. Researchers found that the brain's multiple demand and language systems, which are responsible for very different cognitive tasks, encode specific code properties and unique align with machine learned representation of code. So friends, MIT researchers determined that the brain's demand and language systems encode specific code properties that correlate with machine learned representations. The researchers performed functional magnetic resonance imaging, commonly called fMRI, scans of programmers' brains, as they processed computer program elements and saw a difference in encoding properties related to dynamic analysis, in which information is encoded much better in the brain's multiple demand network compared to the language processing center. A second experimental series incorporating neural networks confirmed the brain signals observed when participants examined pieces of code closely resembled the network's own activation patterns. Maria Toneva at Germany's Max Planck Institute for Software Systems said such findings raise the possibility of using computational models of code to better understand what happens in our brains as we read programs. So, MIT scientists are definitely intrigued by the connections they have uncovered, which shed light on how discrete pieces of computer programs are encoded in the brain. But they don't yet know what these recently gained insights can tell us about how people carry out more elaborate plans in the real world. However, this project, in fact, a great research project that opens the door for more research on this topic. So, friends, you may get more research based news and developments in the field of computer science, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon that you may get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Share this video to your friends, to your family members and masses that majority of people may know about this great news.